Good morning. This is the mental arithmetic sort of guide video to stop you having to read all the way through the list. I'm showing my homework. I know I put a lot on there. This week you're going to do some mental arithmetic tests. There are in total 6 of these tests. It's not actually a test for you to be judged on. It's just for you to recall stuff you haven't done for a long time. Some of the questions will be very easy, and then it'll move on quickly. It's timed. And there's a lady who speaks through a test or a tape, and she gives you 5, 10 or 15 seconds to answer each question. If you want to, just pause the audio bit and then unpause it to have a bit more time. I'd rather you tried it and not rushed by the time and got it right. That would be the best thing. To explain how it is, if you look at the screen, I'm just going to swap over to the show my homework section, and attached to show my homework on this, where this video is, there are WMA, which is a Windows media file. It'll play on any player. So if you just open it up, it should automatically play on any audio device. I'm going to choose the first one. It says Mental Test A. I'm going to press the download link. And if we open it up, I'm not sure if you can hear the audio here. We're about to find out. So that is now a lady actually explaining what the test was about. This was originally done in 2005, this one. But they're very good. Maths is maths. 100 years ago, just like it will be in 100 years' time. So it doesn't matter about the year. So play the tape. She talks for about 2 minutes on sort of guidance behind the testing. You don't need to listen to that. So you can skip forward to about the 2-minute mark. I'm going to go 2 minutes 3. There we go. And then she'll start the test. So she'll have a few questions. You will need to have an answer sheet for this test, not just a piece of paper, which you'll require as well, but an answer sheet. So if we pause it there, I'm going to go back and look on the show my homework section. That was test A for 2005. So we're looking for the questions, and you see it says PDF test A 2005 there. Excuse me. So I'm going to download that, and you will see that you have the actual answer sheet, which has information on each question. You should be familiar with these. You do them in school on a regular basis. So you use this. You don't write on this, because obviously it's on your screen. You just write on a piece of paper and hold on to it. Okay, so there's where the tests are. So you will have up to 6 of these. There are 2 higher, which is the most able, and there's 1 foundation, which is the lower level. So you choose where you want. If you want to choose the lower one to start with and build your way up, or if you want to start high and then come down to find your level, that's fine. But make sure you do at least 2 of these this week to sort of keep your brain in gear before the workbooks arrive next week. We've been working hard on creating new workbooks that will hopefully enable you to learn on new content with something physical to write on next to some examples and some starter activities. So we hope you enjoy those. We're doing some YouTube channel videos alongside that, which means that you can just click and your teacher will have not all of them, but some lessons will have an overview of this is how you would do it, this is how the example works. Now you maybe do a Hegarty video on this. Here's the Corbett questions. About 5 to 6 minutes worth of just a guidance on how you would do it. Okay. Now I'm just going to quickly check on the rest of this list. So I'm looking on my right hand side now. Open the questions we've done, audio files you've done, the mark scheme. Yeah, you need to know if you're right or not. So if we go back to the show my homework and you look at mental test A, one of them says mark scheme mental 2005. So if you click on mark scheme mental 2005, excuse me, and we download that one, you scroll down to the test that you have been doing. So you can ignore the guidance. It actually gives you the words went with the audio. And then after that, it gives you the actual answers in bold there. Okay, so that's the test C. And then you have the next one, which was test B, test A. And then eventually it will go down to test B. Now, these can be quite fun if you do them with family as well, or either younger or older siblings, to make sure that they're still keeping their heads in the game, which would be really useful. Okay, let me just check on anything else we need to say. No, I think that's pretty much it. So I hope you understand from this quick video, without having to read all of the blurb that I put underneath, that attached to it, you have audio files, you have question files, and you have a mark scheme for 2 years. So it's 2005 and 2006. And enjoy doing some mental maths this week. And we hope you enjoy your workbooks that we've been working hard on for you over the last 4 weeks or so. Thank you.